check out the locks, peep the locks, get a real good look, because that is what today's video is all about. Today I'm going to be doing a how-to tutorial showing you how I installed my natural looking faux locks without having to braid my hair, cornrow my hair, twist my hair, or use a crochet needle. Now you probably sitting back watching and asking yourself, asking me through the screen, Kanisha, how you do that? Well, that's why I'm here today, to show you. So if you're interested in seeing how I do so, just stick around and enjoy the video.
So jumping right into it, I'm going to be using a product by Mary's. It is a natural locking beeswax paste. I'm going to take a good amount of that paste and put it onto the strands of my hair. Now I chose to use this product because it pairs well with my thick textured hair, and it does what it actually says on the container. It locks your hair fairly quickly, and I wanted to use it because I am trying to perpetrate like I am a lockhead. So now getting into the lock. The type of locks that I use for this style is by the Mayday Beauty Braid brand. It is the modern soft locks in 20 inches, and I chose to use the color number 1. Now, very simple, very easy, super quick. All I'm going to do is open the loop of the lock. After doing so, as you can see, it's open. I am going to pull my hair through the loop like so. Now all I'm going to do is begin wrapping my natural hair around the loop, down the lock, until my hair is completely wrapped. Now, if you peep that, you may see that little lump. You see the little lump? That's part of that loop. It's okay. It's gonna all come together. It's gonna look natural after I continue the process. Now, I want to secure my natural hair around that lock. I'm going to be using the Model Cuban Twist Mojito braiding hair. And I am just going to attach that hair wrap that hair around the ending of my hair where I wrapped it around the lock. And I also took it upon myself to wrap the hair a little bit further, like from the start of where I started wrapping my real hair. That's all I'm doing, is wrapping that fake hair around my real hair to secure my hair so that the style stays. Now, if you have any question in regards to how I take that out, do I have any problems with taking it out, all you need to do is just leave me a comment down below and I will answer those questions for you. And if you want to see a video of me taking it out, I can make that happen as well too. Now, I think I showed you a good amount of how much hair I used to wrap. I actually used too much hair. That was my preference, my choice to do so, because I just wanted to make sure that, you know, the hair is secured and that it is going to last. You don't have to use as much that hair to wrap your hair around. You just could use half of what I actually used. Now what I'm going to do is take some more of that paste, put it onto the roots of my hair, and I'm going to twist my hair counterclockwise, and that is it. Okay, as you can see, my roots is pairing well with that lock. It doesn't even look like I have a crochet lock attached to my hair. Now all I'm going to do is just show you guys again. I want to apologize for my lighting. I did not have my ring light set up so that you could actually see clearly. But I just wanted to do it again so you guys could watch it. And if you attempt to try this method out at home, let me know about commenting down in the comment section, and also let me know how it turned out for you. This method for me is super easy. It cuts down time. It took me 1 hour and 27 minutes to attach or put all these locks in my hair, to install all these locks. And it's less time consuming, you know what I mean? It's a really quick and easy style. Like I said, I didn't have to braid my hair, twist my hair, cornrow my hair, or use that needle, as you can see. Now I'm just going to continue to let this play, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please, 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 pretty please, hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, I shall see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.